Hi everybody, super excited to introduce you to the Durand EVO Mid-Waterproof, the latest and greatest boot from Keen. Right off the bat, got to talk about it, built right here in America. Right away you see it has that Keen bellows flex. Right across the vamp there, right where your foot flexes, designed for more bend and less wear. What that means is out on the trail it's a whole lot less energy used and you going a whole lot further. It has our Keen Connect Fit technology. What that does is it really locks you down into the boot, works with the very natural wide toe box that we have in our boots. So it keeps you from moving around, keeps you really nice and locked in, but also lets your toes move really naturally. It has a direct attached polyurethane midsole. What that means is the bottom, that really durable rubber outsole, is bonded directly onto the super lightweight mesh upper. Gives you a really nice comfortable layer of polyurethane midsole in the middle with a really durable, almost bomb-proof construction, as we call it. So you get that really nice durable fit and feel with a really comfortable ride. This is the Durand EVO Mid-Waterproof.